Namaste. I welcome you all in the morning assembly of St. Vivekanand Millennium School, HMT Township, Pinjore. Today is 29th April 2021. First of all, I would like to invite Acharya Sunil Dutt Gautam to share today's Panchang with us. Namaste, sir.
नमस्ते। आज के पंचांग के अनुसार विक्रमी संवत 2078, शक संवत 1943, आज वैशाख माह के कृष्ण पक्ष की तृतीया तिथि है। आज का नक्षत्र अनुराधा, आज का योग वरियान है। प्रविष्टे की यदि बात करें तो आज वैशाख माह के 16 प्रविष्टे घटित हो रहे हैं। मुस्लिम माह रमजान की आज 16वीं तारीख है। धन्यवाद।
Thank you, sir. Now let's start the prayer. I request all of you to join your hands and cover your head for the prayer.
All classes be ready for Gayatri Mantra.
भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। ॐ भूर्भुवः स्वः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्।
All classes be ready for prayer.
एक ओंकार सतनाम करता पुरख निरपौ निर्वैर अकाल मूरत अजूनी सैभं गुर प्रसाद जप आद सच जुगाद सच है भी सच नानक होसी भी सच। सोचे सोच न होवई जे सोचे लखवार चुप्पे चुप न होवई जे लाए रहा लिवतार। पुखिया पुख न उतरी जे बन्ना पुरया पार। सह सियाणपा लख होए तां इक न चले नार। किव सचियारा होइए किव कूड़े टुटे पार। हुक्म रजाई चलना नानक लिखिया नार। हुक्मी होवन आकार हुक्म न कहिया जाए। हुक्मी होवन जी हुक्म मिले वड्याई। हुक्मी उत्तम नीच हुक्म लिख दुख सुख पाइए। इक ना हुक्मी बख्शीश एक हुक्मे सदा पवाइए, हुक्मे अंदर सबको, बाहर हुक्म न कोए। नानक हुक्मे जे बुझे, ताहू मैं कहे न कोए।
अस्तो मा सद्गमया तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमया मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमया। ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्ति। ॐ बी रेडी फॉर नेशनल एंथम।
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंग। तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गावे तब जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय, भारत माता की जय। वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम, वंदे मातरम।
Now, I would like to invite Lavanya of class 9th B to share some science facts with us. Namaste, Lavanya.
Namaste, I am Lavanya of class 9th B of Saint Vivekanand Millennium School. Today I am going to tell you some science facts, and my first fact is the human body manufactures 17 million red blood cells per second. Second fact is hair shaft is made of a hard protein called keratin and is made in 3 layers. Third fact is hair on the scalp grows about 0.3 to 0.4 mm per day or about 6 inches per year. Fourth fact is our human body contains nearly 100 trillion cells. Fifth fact is there are at least 10 times as many bacteria in the human body as cells. And the sixth fact is the largest bone in the human body is femur, also known as the thigh bone. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Lavanya. Now let me invite Nivedita Sharma, a student of class 8th B, to throw some light on the International Dance Day. Namaste, Nivedita.
Namaste, respected Principal Sir, Vice Principal Ma'am, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. I am Nivedita Sharma of class 8th B from Saint Vivekanand Millennium School. Dancing is the great antidote to the madness of mankind. Today, I am going to share some information about International Dance Day. It's International Dance Day today, a day to celebrate one of the most beautiful forms of communication. The world has been celebrating International Dance Day since 1982, when the Dance Committee of the International Theatre Institute, ITI, the main partner for the performing arts of UNESCO, founded the day, dedicating it to the universality of this art form. It was decided that the International Dance Day would be celebrated every year on 29th April, the birthday of Jean-Georges Navarre, the creator of modern ballet. To mark the day, the International Dance Committee and the ITI select an outstanding dance personality to write a message for the International Dance Day every year. ITI says the day is a celebration for those who can see the value and importance of the dance. It says the day also acts as a wake-up call for governments, politicians, and institutions which have not yet recognized its value to the people and to the individual and have not yet realized its potential for economic growth. The idea behind sharing an International Dance Day message is to celebrate dance crossing all barriers of politics, culture, and ethnicity and bring people using the common language of dance. Every year, the International Dance Committee of ITI and the Executive Council of ITI select one or more outstanding choreographer or dancer to write a message. The message is then translated into several languages and circulated throughout the world. This year, Friedman Vogel from Germany, ballet dancer, has written the official message for International Dance Day. Thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you, Nivedita. Now, Sonali Thakur of class 9th will share a word of the day. Namaste, Sonali.
ਨਮਸਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਅੰਸ਼ਿਕਾ 8ਵੀਂ ਜਮਾਤ ਵਿੱਚ ਪੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਹਾਂ। ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਹੈ ਸਦਾਚਾਰ। ਸਦਾਚਾਰ ਦੇ ਸਮਾਨਾਰਥਕ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਹਨ ਸ਼ਿਸ਼ਟਾਚਾਰ, ਸੱਭਿਆਚਾਰ, ਨੇਕੀ, ਸਦਵਿਹਾਰ। ਵਿਰੋਧੀ ਸ਼ਬਦ ਹਨ ਦੁਰਾਚਾਰ, ਬੁਰਾ ਵਿਵਹਾਰ। ਵਾਕ ਹੈ ਸਾਨੂੰ ਸਦਾਚਾਰ ਦਾ ਜੀਵਨ ਬਤੀਤ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਹੈ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਅੱਜ ਦਾ ਦਿਨ ਚੰਗਾ ਬੀਤੇ।
Thank you, Sonali. Now let's wish the birthday students. Today is the birthday of Miten Bhukkal of class 1st A, Tanvi of class 2nd A, Harsh of class 2nd A. So let's wish them by singing the birthday song. I request all of you to sing with us and bless the students.
सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। सागर में एक लहर उठी तेरे नाम की, तुम्हें मुबारक खुशियाँ सालों साल की। तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना, तुमको है जीवन में बढ़ते ही जाना। तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की, तुम हो सुंदर बूंद उसके नाम की। हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू, हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Our principal sir, vice principal ma'am, teachers and parents all are giving their blessings to you. God bless you. That's it in today's assembly. Stay home, stay safe, wear a face mask, wash your hands regularly and keep a safe distance. Namaste.